All right, let's look at how we can start a remote GPU for development. That means that I have my local setup running with the orchestrator discovery service and validator locally, but I have the worker running on a remote GPU, which makes it easy for us to, for example, deploy workloads that require an H100 or similar. So I've actually just booted a GPU on Prime, so I can just say prime plots list and actually get the status of that GPU also with my connection string here. So we have this connection string, and then as we see in the README, we just run makeup to run the local environment. I've already started that earlier, so it goes fast. And then we have the first tab that we usually use to launch the worker. So I can just Control BZ, make this bigger, and export the env so we need. So env SSH, this one, and export external IP. Add this one also. 4.3, no typo here. And then I just type, okay, just make this small again, make remote worker. This takes a while on the first run, but then goes quite quick on the next runs. And we should see that the worker should start now. Okay, here we go. The worker is now waiting to be whitelisted by our process. So this all runs on the GPU now and is remote. We should actually see this if we scroll up, that it has detected an H100. Scrolling is always a pleasure here. Let's make this a bit bigger. Docker NVIDIA toolkit installed, and we see this H100 here. Okay, now we actually also see that the challenge was already submitted to our validator. So the validator has validated that node, and our discovery service has also discovered that node and will invite our remote worker soonish. So we see, okay, heartbeat sent and Docker service is running. So it's sending a heartbeat now over to my local machine for the orchestrator. And now if I go to my Postman and I check this, I just reload this, we see that the machine is actually running, and we could now with the /tasks API dispatch a workload to that task. All right, that's it.